We are now ready to start building a form so that we can enter the job name and the rate per hour. And as we have seen before, we can use a text field to enter values with the system keyboard, and we can control the text being edited with a text editing controller. So if we wanted, we could use these classes again for our new page. Instead, I'm going to introduce a different way of doing text input in Flutter. And to do that, I need to introduce two new widgets, which are called Form and TextFormField. And the main idea here is that a form gives us a convenient way of grouping together multiple input fields. So we can use the form to validate, save, or reset all the inputs. So rather than using text fields and text editing controllers manually, we can use a form with multiple text form fields instead. So let's see how to use this in practice in our widget class. I'm going to start off by replacing this placeholder widget with a new method called _build form, like this. And I'm going to create this as a method. This should return a widget, and inside the method body, I can return a form, like this. This takes a child argument, and here I can use a column because I want my text fields to be laid out vertically. And then I can specify a cross-axis alignment of cross-axis alignment.stretch so that the children will use all the horizontal space. And then I can add a children argument and define a new method which is called _build form children, like this. And this method needs to return a list of type widget. And in the body, we can return a list. And for now, we can keep things simple and add two text form fields. So the first is a text form field, and this has a decoration parameter of input decoration with a label text that says job name, like this. And then I'm going to copy paste this widget and create a second text form field with a label text of rate per hour, like this. And at this stage, I can hot reload and I can see that I have two input fields. Next, I want to customize these inputs a bit more. And in particular, I want the rate per hour to only be used to enter a numerical integer value. So to do this, here I can add a keyboard type and use text input type dot number with options, with signed is false and decimal to be false as well. And if I hot reload and select the two input fields, then I can see that I get the standard keyboard for the job name and a numerical keypad for the rate per hour. Okay, so let's continue on the next video.